Robert, you are big. But Milo's tree is bigger.
Exactly. We add to short words to compare things. Big becomes bigger. Tall, taller. Fast, faster. Small, smaller.
I am fast. But Chloe is faster than me.
Perfect sentence, Johnny. Faster than. That's how we compare two things.
What about long words? Like beautiful?
For long words, we don't add We use more before the word. This flower is more beautiful than that one.
So, short word plus long word plus more. Got it? Robert, you are smart. But Chloe is more intelligent than both of us.
Ha! Maybe she is, Johnny. Maybe she is.